Hi. So my name is Kori Nutter. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm talking kind of quiet because I don't need the whole place hearing me. But I was lucky enough to come to a retreat today. I don't even know what the date is. It's probably like the 30th or something. Anyway, I was lucky enough to come to this retreat today and actually meet Felisha in person. And she is fabulous. There's no doubt God put her on this earth to help people. I was supposed to tell you what I got out of today, what I got out of the retreat, but that would take all day, because I just soaked in every word that came out of her mouth, and it was everything she said really resonated with me and hit home. And I know that if you're going through anything difficult, anything at all, does not matter the circumstance, does not matter what it is, and you need help fighting through that, Felisha is your girl. And the biggest thing I got out of today is how amazing I am, which is hard for me to even say. Because a lot of times we don't see ourselves as we should. And she will help you with that. So, I'm amazing. I have great purpose. I have great gifts. And sorry. And I'm so blessed and so thankful. So thankful I got to be here and meet her and hear what she has to say. So I hope you guys all get the chance as well. Have a good night.